It was, now when I look back, it was very strange. These things can't happen, in those times, how it happened. That Mr. Vijaypat Singhania knew my dad very well, and they were doing some shoot for some international magazine or something for Raymond, for their
Yes.
brand. And he said, so he had come over home and he said that, why don't we take Aisha, she's like a young girl, and it was a very youngy thing. And so before anybody could say, I reacted, yes, I want to do this. And so then it was my summer holidays, and then my parents said, okay, fine, so we'll go to Mumbai and we will Bombay at that time, we'll go and we'll have a holiday and let her shoot for whatever has to be done. So everything was planned, and then a call comes that we are not able to shoot in Mumbai because there were 2 or 3 girls, that they were. So they will be shifting the venue to Delhi. So I said again, Bombay jana nahi ho raha, So then they shot it in Delhi. But the best part was that Gautam Rajadhyaksh was coming to shoot the campaign, and Pandri Dada, who was a renowned makeup artist, was doing our makeup, like that professional makeup and all that. So when they both came and shot, so throughout the shoot, Dada and Gautam would keep saying, what are you doing here? You should be in Mumbai. So I said, I also tell everybody I should be in Mumbai. What am I doing here? So, imagine I was like so young, but I was just 15 probably.
Yeah.
And so I used to say, so they used to laugh, that, oh, look at her. I said, yeah. And so he took a couple of pictures of mine separate from the shoot. And after, I think, about 4 or 5 months, I get a call from the producers from Pandri Dada, that he spoke to my mother and he said, ki, there is this film and Salman Khan is in the film. So I didn't want to listen to anything else. I said, Salman Khan in the film, I'm doing the film, I'm going. So my parents were like, my whole family was in shock that you can't just enter the film industry like that. And how. So my parents still didn't have so much of inhibition. My extended family, my mamas and all were very livid that no film industry and all of that. And so they said that you'll have to come for a screen test. Mujhe to pata bhi nahi tha what is screen test. At that age, and nothing about the industry. We just knew that film hoti hai, bahut achhi hoti hai, and I can dance, because I was a Kathak dancer. So I said, I can dance, I can maro dialogues. Bas ye to hota hai, aur kya hota hai. So then I told my parents, no, I have to go. At least we'll do the screen test. Then my dad said, listen, we were planning a holiday. Let's do a holiday. And you can do the screen test. And they आपस में used to talk कि तो बच्चे का शौक है उसको it'll die off करके आ जाते हैं. So we came here, we stayed at the JK house. We were here for a couple of weeks and we went for the screen test. And that was the funniest screen test ever somebody must have given. So we went, Deepak Bari was the director and Bobby Kent and Pradeep Kapoor, they were the producers.
Right.
And he had an office in Bandra. So we were called there. So Mr. Singhania had given us our car and we went around. Me and my mother, my dad said, tum log jao. He and my sister were enjoying Mumbai. And we went and it was a nice tiny office. My mother was sitting outside. A lot of other people were sitting there. A lot of other girls, obviously screen test.
Right.
And I was thinking, ये तो मैं ही हूँ, मुझे ही मिलेगा, मैं ही जाऊंगी, and nobody else will be there. When I saw so many of them, I said, it's very difficult, So many have come for the same role. So then one by one, everybody was called in the inside room and whatever screen test was. So that time I started getting nervous that screen test hota kya hai? So my mother's also asking, screen test kya hota hai? Like, what are we supposed to do? Saying, no, they'll ask you a few things. Maybe they'll give you some lines and, some dialogues and all of that. So, and then because the screen test was happening in another room, so then they didn't allow my mom to come in and they said, you come in. And I was like so protective in a certain way that I was very scared ki mummy samne nahi hoenge, to how will I give the screen test?
Right.
So then Mr. Kapoor, who was one of the producers, he was like very sweet. He said, don't, get panic. Don't panic. You just come in and they'll ask you whatever. So I remember I went inside and there was a small room, all dark with camera and stuff, and so many people inside. The producer, director, assistants, camera. So first I saw so many people and I said, this is like too many people. But I was very used to giving stage performances in Kathak, So as a child, I was 7 when I gave my first performance on stage, solo performance. And I used to do a lot of performances in India International Center and a lot of shows, school also.
Right.
Always loved the stage. And so I thought, what do I do when I go on stage? I blank myself out that I can't see anybody because when you're on stage and you see people's reactions, you can't.
Yeah, the nervousness
comes in. So I said, so I asked before he was watching me, Mr. Bari was just looking at me and he had his pan in his mouth and he was not talking. He was just at that. So I said, "Aap director hai?" I said, yeah. So I didn't know how to break it because they were just looking at me as if somebody is just from the zoo, like how. So then one of the assistants asked me, so आप क्या-क्या कर लेते हो? मैंने कहा क्या-क्या करना है? So he said कि नहीं डायलॉग बोलना या क्या आता है? मैंने कहा मैं कथक डांसर हूँ और डायलॉग भी बोल लूंगी. I still remember, you can imagine a 16-year-old. And because I had that naughty, this thing in me, and my mom and dad had told me कि don't take it seriously, नहीं हुआ तो they used to always boost my confidence कि marks नहीं आए ज़्यादा अच्छे तो don't feel bad, ये नहीं हुआ तो ये मत करना, they always had that thing, positive.
Amazing. That is such a nice
very positive attitude. So we've lived, grown up like that.
Amazing.
So my mom used to always feel for both of us, me and my sister, that we shouldn't get hurt.
Yes.
So they were coming from there. So I just told them this, and then he said, "अच्छा ठीक है, आप एक काम करो, हम म्यूजिक नहीं आप डांस करके दिखाओ." मैंने कहा तो आप म्यूजिक चलाओ, हम डांस कर देंगे. तो so बोला ये कथक नहीं है यहाँ पे करना. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने बहुत फिल्में देखी, मुझे पता है कैसे करते. And they were laughing away कि ये कौन आया है अंदर. So for me it was more of a conversation कि क्या है, मैं तो सब कर लेती हूँ, that kind. मुझे पता था कुछ होना नहीं है यहाँ पे, वापस घर जाना ही पड़ेगा probably. And then they switched on some song. I don't remember what it was, and I was in all my nervousness, which I was not trying to show. I did some Kathak के steps के अंदर ही कुछ film का कुछ डाल के. I didn't know what is film dance, So filmy dance or whatever. So मैंने ऐसे कुछ भी किया 5-10 मिनट. And then they asked me couple of things कि आप दिल्ली में रहते हो, बॉम्बे में कैसे आओगे, ये वो. मैंने कहा मुझे ये फिल्म क्यों करनी है? मैंने कहा सलमान खान की वजह से. So basically all of them were laughing, and then we came out. When I came out, I saw that all those 8-10 girls who were there with their families or secretaries or whatever, none of them were there.
Okay.
They had all done their screen test. I was called last.
Oh, okay.
And then I was asked to wait. So when I was asked to wait, I told Mr. Kapoor, because he had come, the executive producer. So my mother just asked him कि कितनी देर wait करनी पड़ेगी. So he said just 5-10 minutes. I said no, I'm not interested. कितनी देर wait करनी पड़ेगी. आप मुझे अभी बता सकते हैं मुझे ये रोल मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है, क्योंकि अगर नहीं मिल रहा तो आप ये मत बोलना कि कल बताएंगे, परसों बताएंगे, क्योंकि हमको अपनी हॉलिडे फिर enjoy करेंगे हम. Something I told him. So he says okay, wait for 10-15 minutes. So they made us wait for half an hour, and we were getting restless. I was getting restless. And after half an hour, they come out and they say, you are signed for the role.
Wow.
That is how I got that film. And more than me, my mother was shocked, because she was immediately thinking कि ये अब करेंगे कैसे हम, film कैसे करेंगे, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकती. So then my mother is telling them, हम बताते हैं कल. So it was ulta. And I have met Mr. Pradeep Kapoor a lot of times. After that, in fact, just a couple of years back, when we were all sitting and he was telling me and reminding me this whole incident, that's why I can so clearly tell you this. He was saying कि we were shocked that somebody is telling us, "Hum kal batate hain," who's come for a screen test. We didn't know what was happening, you know. But you were so apt for that role. And we said, no, we want this girl only. And that is how. And then the whole story started where I had to struggle with my family, extended family, that I want to do this because it was a shift.
Yes.
You know, it was a complete shift. I had already started, you know, my fashion designing ka progress. London School of Fashion, I was supposed to enroll myself in. And there was so much happening. And then suddenly, Bombay. So that choice, so huge discussions happened at home. So when people ask me that, what was your struggle? My struggle was after getting a movie, my struggle was more with my family to convince them that I want to do this. This is what I want to do.
But you know, film sign ho gayi. Everything I'm sure went smooth after
Very
that.
smooth, yeah.
Like the film went on flows and everything. But you know, that time the industry was in a very, you know, it's always been a very competitive space. Secondly, I think so it was very unforgiving also back then.
Yes.
As a young girl, how was it for you to navigate your way further?
You know, see, those times were not like today.
Okay.
Here, today, if you see, even a 6-year-old child knows more of television, gadgets, phones, computers, you know. You will see a small child telling you कि ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होता है.
Right.
And, you know, maybe a 15-year-old is like 25-year-old back then. The knowledge and the exposure is so much today.
Yeah.
Back then, it wasn't like this. So there was no question of designing your navigation in the industry for a person like me. Whatever was navigated was by my team, by my family, by my parents mainly. And of course, the team, you know, the managers and the secretaries then called. So there was no planning.
Okay.
Also, when I was given permission to do this film, I was told very clearly by my family and my extended family that, okay, we are modern, we are progressive, we know everything, but it is not a very practical decision to shift base from Delhi and go to Mumbai and live there.
Right.
So this is one film that you really want to do, because I used to really convince them day in and day out कि मुझे करना है ये.
और कितना time लगा convince करने
अरे
में?
बहुत time लगा, because the film was starting after 5 months.
Okay.
And they wanted an answer within the shortest time possible. So we had to give them all the story that we have to go back, we have to work out how. So they said, we'll work out everything, you know, we will make sure that you come and go and whatever. So then my mother told them that, listen, we need 10-15 days. There is going to be a shift. So we have to work around that and stuff. So it did take about 15-20 days of vigorous begging and persuasion of that I want to do this. Finally, they said, okay, शौक के लिए करना है.
अच्छा.
Even my family must have thought that ये क्या एक करेगी उसके बाद तो बस खत्म. So it was planned that you'll do one film. And so we had our, from my father's side, some cousins here. They had a flat here. So they said, we'll shift there. We will come for that 1 month, 2 months, whatever shoot, go back. So all that was designed, but only just one film. So I also thought, मुझे भी एक ही film करनी है. मुझे कौन सा ज़्यादा करना था. मैं तो एक ही film करूँगी और वो भी मुझे सलमान खान. So I used to go and tell the world in Delhi कि मुझे सलमान खान के साथ picture मिली है. And so it was just one film. So navigation कहाँ से आएगा, you know, because आपको तो एक करके वापस जाना है.
Right.
और वो करते करते में you sign your second, you sign your third, you sign your fourth, and every time I would say, see, I'm destined to do this. I would tell my mom and dad that ये तो मुझे यही करना है. I told you कि मुझे यही करना है.
And
See,
then there came a time where you were doing 10 films in a year.
I was doing 10-12 films in a year. So then of course everything you know became that was it. I was to do this.
Wow.
So there was no planning, there was no you know, grooming or no learning, or I just was blocked or thrown into this because I just felt कि, और वो naturally जो आता था ना, वो वैसे ही आता था. I mean, I just felt like how I go on stage and do my dances and I, you know, do my Kathak and stuff. वैसे ही I used to just jump in. The directors and the units that I've worked in, most of them were so lovely. It was like family. It was not like that you know, that you're walking in and 10 people are looking at your hair and your makeup and your dressing, and all that drama was never there. It was just, everything used to fall into place very beautifully. So I just don't even remember how times have gone. I just knew one thing, that going on set was a lot of fun for me. Delivering dialogues and doing scenes and learning all that was great fun for me. It was only enjoyment, fun. And in that, you know, you started learning a lot of things.
How was your first meeting with Salman Khan?
I was very nervous. I still remember it was a Mele ka scene.
Okay.
And there was a Mela setup, and I was to wear this ghagra choli and have chotis and stuff in my hair. And I went on the set, and I see this young guy who's, I think he was on a horse and riding on the set. Film City we were shooting, and and he just came in front of me and smiled and walked away. I to froze, I think.
Okay.
I think because, you know, you're so young that time and you can't imagine कि वो पर्दे पे देखने वाले इंसान को आप कैसे,
Right.
you know. And I had to speak one dialogue which I was fumbling. I didn't know ये dialogue बोलना कैसे. Something on churis. ये चूड़ी तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? And I'm supposed to say Chanda and all that. It was very funny. But in no time, you know, the unit and everybody, we used to eat together, you know.
Okay.
The lunch was on set. That's one thing I have to mention, which I think was a great opportunity to connect with your unit people. Was that earlier on, a lot of units had this thing of having lunches on set, you know.
Okay.
Very rarely was it ki kamre mein, if you're not feeling up to it, then you can have it in your room, your tiffin will come inside. But usually the directors or the producer would always tell each actor that, okay, 1:30 we are putting the lunch here. And we used to, invariably, I used to go and be on that table, you know.
Wow.
And a lot of actors used to do that. So that used to break the ice of working together and that comfort. And I think that happened with Qurban and other units also.